Today, we are going to Brooklyn Beach.
What a beautiful view. Ready for our day?
Yes, I'll help Nila. Thanks, Lili. I'm packing the beach bag with towels and snacks.
Great. Let me check that everything is in there.
The hotel is very nice.
I like this place.
The hallway is clean. Let's go to the lobby now. I like this hotel very much. Dad, is this a big hotel?
Yes, Omar. It is a big hotel.
Hey, I'm so excited! Me too!
Look at that skyscraper.
This is amazing!
The sun feels good.
It is a perfect day.
I hear the waves.
The beach is close.
We need a car.
Yes, let's rent one.
Where is the car rental?
It is near here.
Look at this window, Lar.
It is beautiful. There is so much creativity in this city. The food smells nice.
Maybe we come back later.
Look at the shops.
They are colorful.
Now this window is the best of all.
Yes, I see why you like this one best, Lar. The grass is so soft. I could almost sleep here.
It is beautiful. There is so much peace in this city too. Look, it is there.
Great, let's go inside.
Look, it is there.
Great, let's go inside.
Hello?
Welcome!
We want to rent a car.
What kind of car?
We are many people.
We need a big car.
You can take a van. A van is good.
The van is big. It is perfect for us.
Thank you.
Have a nice trip. Let's go to the beach.
This will be fun. Look at the view.
The sky is very blue.
This is fun. We need swimming clothes. Let's stop here. Now we are ready. Let's go to the beach. I drive the van. Let's go to the beach. We are here. Let's go out. The sand feels nice.
I like the beach.
Look at the water. Look, the sea is there. It looks beautiful.
Let's go faster.
Wow, the beach is very big. Look at the ocean. The waves are nice. The sun's very bright.
I feel happy here.
The water is cold. Look at me, I am jumping. Don't go too far.
The ocean is full of magic.
Wow, The beach is very big.
Look at the ocean.
The waves are nice. The sun is very bright.
I feel happy here.
Look! I can make a sandcastle. The sand is warm. Be careful of the water.
It is a beautiful place to rest.
I want the pink ice cream. Mine is cold and sweet.
Ice cream is best at the beach.
It is a yummy treat.
My children, please listen carefully. When we are at the beach, we must be careful. Sometimes the water comes suddenly. It can be fast and very strong.
Yes, Dad, I understand.
The ocean can be dangerous.
We stay together and watch the water.
I will be careful, I promise.
Let's play a game. We can make our own beach game.
Yes, and I want to win this time. I'll use these as points. See? I didn't touch the line. Hey, that doesn't count.
The moon is very bright tonight.
It lights up the whole beach.
Can we walk on the silver path?
No, but it is pretty to see.
We have everything now.
I am keeping my treasure safe.
Goodbye, beach. We will see you again soon.
The fire is warm.
Look at the orange sparks. They look like tiny birds.
I like the sound of the wood snapping.
Look at the shell. It shines. It is so smooth.
It is a rare find. A truly beautiful treasure.
Woo! We finally found what we wanted.
Look how high they go!
Nila, where is Omar? I don't see him.
He was just here. He was right here beside us. Omar!
Nila! The ocean! He's in the ocean!
Help! He's out there! Help! My son is in the ocean! Please, someone! Hurry! Omar!
The rescue helicopter is descending!
Help! I'm here!
The rescue helicopter is descending!
Help! I'm here!
It happened so fast. I should have watched it.
I am not afraid. I am strong.
Omar will be okay. I know it.
Lili says, "It is not your fault. Everything is okay."
Thank God Omar is safe.
We're going back to get our things, baby. We get our kitty.
We'll wait till you've reached your vehicle! Make it fast!
Why is it so quiet? Don't worry. We're here.
It's okay. We'll get him out. I think I see something moving.
Look! He's in the window! He sounds scared.
I'm sorry we left you alone. We almost lost everything today.
Maybe he got scared when we left.
Why is it locked? How will he come out? I am so sleepy. The beach was fun.
Everyone had a big day. It was a perfect trip.
I am a little tired now.
But it was the best day ever.
Time to head home.
Yes. back to our room with the big window.